Welcome to my channel Vertex Tutorial. So today we are going to design a model which is basic model, you can say that, because this one is the basic exercise 2 for Solidworks. We are going to draw this model, this one. So we are provided with front view, this one is the top view, and this one is the left side view. Top view, front view, top view, left view. So because we are watching this model from this side, and now we have to draw this model. So to draw this model, we are going to draw this front profile and then we will move further. So let's see how to draw this front profile, because we have been given all the dimensions. So let's see. Go to front plane, sketch, select center line, draw one center line upwards, draw one center line horizontally. Now go to line, make a structure like this. We are going to move from here to here, then here to here, then this one. We are going to make two jets, 1 2 3, and this one, 1 2 1 2 3 4 vents, 1 2 3 and this one is 4. Okay, now we are going to move further, and yeah, from here go upwards and meet this. Again select line, we are going to draw the downward profile, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. We have a structure like this. Now we are going to dimension it. From here to here we have what was the full dimension? 166 by 2, 166 by 2. And this one we have 12 plus 43 plus 10. From here to here we have 12 plus 43 plus 10. Okay, this one is 10 mm, this one is 10 mm, this one is also 10 mm, and this one is 25. Select this point, make elevation vertical. Select smart dimension again. From this to this we have 12 mm. What else we are left with? Yeah, okay. This one is 2 mm. Okay, and this point, and this point, make relation vertical. So we have this geometry fully defined from one side. Now select this portion, 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 this one also, and this one. This thing, go to mirror entities, mirror about this one. Now we have to delete this line and this line to avoid unnecessary. You can say that, okay, go here, trim this line, again draw from this point to this point one line, and again select line from this point to this point. This is just to avoid unnecessary edges which will be formed due to mirroring about this center line. Go to smart dimension, again from here to here 65, and this one was 10. Now we are going to add some fillet over here, which is R15 and R6. Go to fillet, type here 15, R15, click OK. Again go to fillet, R6, this portion and this portion, click OK. Now we have this beautiful structure. So exit from the sketch, go to extruded boss base, type here 71. Now click OK. Select this. Now we are going to draw this side view of this. Select this face, control 8 for normal. Just see this side view of this. We have a curve over here which is of R10, and a line over here, and this thing. Okay, we have to draw this profile, a curve and line. The distance between these two lines is 61. Let's see how to draw this. Go to line, select this point, again select 3-point arc first. Now select line, draw a vertical line over here. Now select this arc, this line, make relation tangent. Go to smart dimension. This is of radius R10. Select this point, select this edge, make relation coincident. Now take a center line from the midpoint of this structure, select this and this, mirror entities to mirror this curve, this line, mirror about this center line, click OK. The distance between these two is 61. Okay, now we have to close this loop to cut through this piece, cut through this model. Control 8 for normal. Okay, again select line, this point, this point, this point, and this point. Now go to features, extruded cut, select this contour, through all both, click OK. Sorry, I guess what type of line is this actually. We have to find this. Go to trim entities, trim this. Go to feature, extrude cut. Through all both, click OK. So we have our required structure. Now select this top surface, sketch, Control 8 for normal. Again see what type of diameter we are going to use over here. That is 50 mm outer dia and 25 mm inner dia, and this should be cut through all, and the height of this hole is 25. Select circle, 1 point, second point, this one is the center. Smart dimension 25. Again draw another circle. Smart dimension, this one is 50. Draw a center line from the origin to this center of the circle. Another line to center line from this to this. Now our circle is fully defined. So go to features, extruded BOSE base, extrude it up to 25 mm. Now we have this circle. Now select this inner circle, sketch, convert entities, go to features, extruded cut, click OK. We have our structure like this. Now we are going to draw these 4 holes, and the dia of these 4 holes is 12, 23 from that edge, this edge, and 20 from this edge. Let's see, let's draw, and the distance between these two circles is 25. Select this face, sketch, Control 8 for normal. Circle. Let us define some material first. Go to material or painted, candy paint. Okay, go to circle, make a circle over here, select again circle, make another circle over here, select this circle, make relation equal. Now the distance from this point to this is 23, and the distance from here to here is 20, and the distance between these two circles is 25. Select this point and this point, make relation vertical, and this is of 10 mm dia. Now take center line, draw a center line in the mid of this model, select this center line, select this entity, go to mirror entities, mirror about this center line, click OK. Now go to features, extruded cut, cut through downwards. So you can see that our model is ready. So this was a very simple exercise. I have tried my best to teach you in a very intuitive way, so that you all can draw this. So this was our second exercise. Thanks for watching. So let's change the color of this. Yeah, this is very nice. Click OK. This color is very nice. So this was our second exercise, and that's it from this lecture. So don't forget to subscribe.